Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Jalebi Fafda. Now this is a very popular combination up north. I've already made the jalebi recipe. You can find the link in the description. And today I'm going to share this incredibly crispy and delicious Fafda recipe with you guys. So why wait? Let's get started and check out the recipe. To make the Fafda, I've taken 1 cup of besan or gram flour to a bowl. Next, add quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, just a pinch of baking powder. This is optional. So if you don't want, you don't have to add it. Next, add half teaspoon of ajwain. Just going to crush it between my palms just to get the flavor going. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. So you don't want to add too much of oil at one time. Now I'm going to start mixing the dough. So now I'm going to add another 2 teaspoons of oil. Gradually mix it in. So you can see you have these little crumbs that are formed. So when you actually hold the flour like this between your palms, it starts to bind. So when you get this consistency, you can gradually start pouring the water. Next, I'm pouring 2 tablespoons of water. So even the water, we gradually add it. You don't want to add too much at a time, just to make sure the dough comes to the right consistency. So knead the dough till it's all well combined. I've added totally about 4 tablespoons of water and 4 teaspoons of oil. This is for 1 cup of besan. So make sure it's all well combined and just knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see I've kneaded the dough. So when you press, it's nicely holding shape like that. Finally, I'm adding half teaspoon of oil to the dough. Just rub it all around it and leave it aside. Divide the dough into equal size balls. So this is a good size ball. Just divide the dough. Take a pan, pour enough oil for deep frying. So the pan will be easier to fry. It will be better than using a kadai because the fafdas will be thin and long. Just I'm putting a little oil to my palm, just a drop. Okay. This is just to make it easier. Just roll it out thin and long. Roll out the fafdas nice and thin. I'm using a rolling pin to roll them out. Gently release the rolled out dough using a knife. So you can see it's beautiful, it's nice and thin. So just check, I think the oil is hot enough. So once the oil is hot, gently place the fafdas into the hot oil. So maintain the flame on medium-low. Fry it on both sides for about 1 to 2 minutes. Remove them from the hot oil. I'm just going to garnish the fafdas with some fried green chilies. You can cool the fafdas completely and store it in an airtight container and enjoy them whenever you please. So there you go, here are these lovely fafdas that can be enjoyed anytime. And if you can see, I have actually rolled it with a rolling pin. Do whatever suits you. The traditional way is to do it with a palm, but this was easier for me, so I did it this way. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.